Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry and redcurrant jam. You will need 350 grams of redcurrants, 350 grams of strawberries, 700 grams of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The redcurrants and strawberries can be fresh or frozen, whatever you have. You just want to put a couple of plates into the fridge. This is going to help us test if the jam is ready to set later. In a large saucepan, add your fruit and your lemon juice. Give it a good stir, and you want to cook over a low to medium heat for about 10 minutes just to allow the juices to release. Then add your sugar. Give it a really good mix until it's all well combined and dissolved, and then you want to bring it to a rolling boil for 8 to 10 minutes. And then once it's boiled for 8 to 10 minutes, we just want to test if the jam is ready to set. So take the jam off the heat. Then using one of the cool plates from earlier, you just want to put a good old blob in the middle of the plate. Pop that to one side to allow it to cool for a couple of minutes. Another method of testing the setting point is to put a good blob of jam in the middle of a wooden spoon and pop that to one side for 2 minutes to allow it to cool. And then once 2 minutes have passed, with the cold plate, you want to run your finger through the middle of the jam blob. If it wrinkles, then it's ready to set. If not, then you need to pop the jam back on for a couple of minutes and then retest again. And with the spoon method, you want to drop the jam back into the saucepan. And if it falls as one giant glob, then it's ready to set. If it falls as a regular liquid, again, just boil it for a couple more minutes before testing again. And then once your jam is ready to set, you want to put it into jars. I wash my jars and then I sterilise them. I sterilise my jars by putting boiling water into the jar, giving it a good swirl and then tipping the boiling water out, obviously being very careful when you're doing so. And then simply just pour the jam into the jam jars and put the lid on while the jam is still warm, and this will help create an air seal at the top of the jam jar. And there you have it. That's how you make strawberry and redcurrant jam.